Hello, people. This is your Abhi, and it's day 51. Well, it was another disappointing day. Not so good, not so bad either. Nothing disastrous happened, but it was a day where I was not able to perform up to my peak potential again. I mean, it's day two of not being the best of me. But you know what? Things happen sometimes. Maybe there's something big coming up, and I'm going to learn a huge lesson probably, because every time something big or something surprising or something life changing comes up, something bad does happen to me, and I think that's a common belief that we all share too. So yeah, I'm getting ready for something big that's coming up and not really minding all the bad things. Not like I'm completely ignoring them. I am looking into why it's bad and what's making it bad and etc. Critically analyzing the situation. But it's a little tough to handle sometimes because your mindset would be put into tests and it would be a vigorous test, and if you don't pass it you have a huge effect on you. So yeah, you got to be careful. You have to make sure it doesn't affect you directly and produce bad effects. Just try to keep your mindset um, you know not changing and constant, even if there are situations coming up. That's basically how you perform, right? That's basically how you test your mindset, how strong you are. And yes, I think that test is actually going on live with me, and I did very well for the past 2 days, keeping my mindset strong and had a lot of control on my emotions. I did handle them well. I understood them and acted accordingly. But something was a little off. I wasn't able to perform in my peak potential. Um, I was not able to, mm, you know, it's just a bad day. It's just it's just an unfortunate day. That's what I can say. Nothing unfortunate happened as in physically or mentally, but situations were bad. Situations were daunting. Uh, at some point of time, I was like on the verge of falling back to square one, which I absolutely don't want to. And this is all the point of the hard work that I'm putting in, not to fall back to square one. And yeah, although it might happen, but I had to build it up if I do fall back. That's how life is, right? Things keep coming up and you keep getting better, even if you're starting from the first. If you're starting from the first, you are more aware of the mistakes that you're committing, and the next time you won't do them. And it's also a great lesson that you would have learned, which you would have skipped if you um, didn't commit that mistake. Anyways, my story making machine also went very crazy. I've been doing if and then analysis and um, predicting stupid future and etc. All dumb things. Yes, I did come to notice how many times I'm doing it. My automatic system that I've developed in my brain always keeps reminding me when I'm making stories, and I come back into um, into a critical state and push it away, understand how much importance and relevance to the situation it is, and make sure it doesn't disturb me. But yeah, I did go a little crazy today. Went and worked little extraneous, but didn't help me much. Another bad thing that happened today is I performed very poor in my test without preparation. I did Google 3 or 4 answers, which I kind of regret, because the point of exam and etc. is actually to see how well you're doing and also to test your character. And I was thinking about the future and my marks, and I googled 3 or 4 answers. I kind of regret it, but anyways, it's for my exam, for my marks. So I, I don't want to say I was cheated, but I had to accept the truth, so I did. What I can conclude by saying, what I can conclude this video by saying is basically don't give up. Something that I've not been doing, something that I've not giving up. I've not been giving up on things because situations are harder. Because I know I have a little clarity that this is definitely helping me out. This kind of mindset and etc. Then if something comes and tells me, dude, this is not working out, I can show the results that I've been holding on to, so that I won't change my beliefs. And that's exactly the point. You should be able to point out that these are the changes that have been brought in because of that, and that way I don't think any kind of situation that will come up will change your mind. So don't let one or small tests and instantaneous conclusions that you draw over estimate or underestimate, and don't say that you are the best of the world. You try to make how much of work you have to put in, or how much of work you actually put in. What if someone else says best, or what if someone else says worse? That shouldn't matter. The thing is, you have to be able to say that you've done your best, and if you've not done your best, you should be able to say that you've not done your best. No one else should define how bad or good you're doing. Although yes, sometimes if they do say, you have to analyze them, whether they're actually saying it, whether it actually makes point. You have to be strong on what you did too. So yeah, work on every day on yourself and keep experimenting. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next one.